Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Ellen Gormley and this is my channel. Welcome to Ellen's Big Game Hint number 2. So over here is hint number 1, and if you missed that video, go back and see it. There's a right and a left-handed version. Now I'm deliberately not giving you like yarn amounts and stuff because once we get through all the hints, then you'll really understand why we're really not stitching along together just yet. Right now we're working on the components. This is hint number 1, and hint number 2 is going to be right here. So I'm going to chain a chain of 19. I have my eye size hook. I have a yarn that's comparable with my first yarn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We will single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and in each across in the back bar, back ridge, back bunk, the back bunk, as opposed to the front bunk. Anyway, here we go. So the amounts of yarn and stuff is going to be discussed later. We're working on the components. It's a hint of a game. I promise you, it's not like a mystery along where you're falling behind. You're totally not falling behind. We're just learning the stitches that are going to go in the mystery big game. So we're going to play a big game together after there are 6 hints. This is hint number 2. So you can always use a new stitch pattern for your repertoire, but this is hint number 2 stitch pattern, and we will be playing the game if everybody is into it after 6 hints. Okay. Also, don't forget we've got our ongoing, what do you call it? Oh my gosh, I'm blanking. Greenery blanket design along, where you guys can comment on the colors and vote, and I'll be making the colors. Let's see, we should have 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 single crochets. Now we will begin our pattern. We will now there's a cool new way to do the turning, well, not new necessarily, new to me, but some of you have already seen it, I'm sure. To make a double crochet at the beginning of a row, we're going to pull up a tall loop and turn, and we're going to flip our hook so that this becomes a yarn over, and then yarn over and pull through 1, and yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so that makes our first double crochet. Then double crochet in the next stitch. Then we're going to do, so we did 2 double crochets, we're going to do 2 halves, we're going to do 2 singles, and then we will repeat that sequence all over again. So we're going to go ahead and go from a single up to a double again. So we're starting our sequence of 6, double, double, then we'll do half, 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 and then single, single. So that makes the repetition, the multiple is of 6. So we have double, double, double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, and then end with single crochet, single crochet. And then if you want to see that fancy turn one more time, here's how you do it. So we're going to pull up a loop, not too big, turn our work, then we're going to flip our hook down so that it becomes a yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so that's just a different way to do instead of chaining 3, but you can chain 3 if you want. I don't care, whatever you do, just be consistent. So we're going to do the second row the same as the first. We will always start with doubles and end with singles. We're doing a multiple of 6 all the way across. It's going to give us this little wavy pattern. So double, double. Can you hear Theo? Are you crying, Theo? Half, half. 1 for 1 in each stitch. We're not increasing, we're not decreasing. Single, single, and then back to our repeat again with a double, double, half, half, And then don't forget to get your 2 singles in here, there, and with our new turning double crochet thing. Okay, if you want to do that again, I will show you. So we're getting a slight waviness. It's not a grid. We're putting tall stitches on top of little stitches. So if you want to do the turny, fancy turny thing, pull up a loop, turn your work, then drop your hook head down and around to the back so that the stitch there, I'm holding it with my thumb because I want to hold it as a yarn over. There and there, okay? And then double crochet in the next stitch. That twisty thing becomes the first stitch, and then we will continue with a pattern. 2 doubles, 2 halves, 2 singles, 2 doubles. So don't forget to like and subscribe, please, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Please go vote on the greenery blanket, the next color. And what other series? Oh, when I hit 9,000 subscribers, then we will do another giveaway, and it'll be a 6-book giveaway. And then when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we've got a $100 yarn retail gift card to give out, and I'm so excited about that. So make sure you subscribe. It costs you nothing to subscribe. And go check me out on Instagram at the Ellen Gormley, and check me out at the website ellengormley.com, and you can check me out on Ravelry at Go Crochet, I believe is my name on there. But anywhere you find Ellen Gormley or Go Crochet, that is me. So that's it for hint number 2 of Ellen's Big Game, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.